Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to repair the wiring on a C10 alternator. This is a 64 Chevy C10 alternator. There's two wires that plug into the back of this. You got a blue and a yellow wire. And the yellow wire has come off, and what this yellow wire does is tell the alternator what voltage to charge at. So what we're going to do is replace the clip on the end of this wire and stick it back on there, and then we'll be able to see if the alternator is charging at the correct amount. Okay, so what we're going to do is replace the clip on this yellow wire. Like so. Make sure it's on there really tight. Now there's two prongs in the back of this alternator. This one goes on the left prong. There you go, just like that. All right, now we'll be able to test this and make sure it's giving the right message to the alternator. All right, so you saw us reconnect the wire to the alternator. The wire, that yellow wire, which controls the voltage that the alternator puts out, that basically hooks to the regulator, and the regulator tells the alternator how many volts to put out. We're going to check and see, what's going into the battery from the alternator. The way we'll do that is with this voltmeter here, and we'll put the red lead on the positive terminal. Red lead on the positive terminal. And the other lead on the negative terminal, and we see actually putting in 14.2 is what it's reading right now. 14.2. The maximum it should put out is 14.7. So that's really good. We got a good strong alternator putting out 14.2 right now. Okay, now we'll check it again against the voltmeter in the truck. See, now we're checking the voltmeter inside the truck, and the gauge is right at 14 volts, which is what it should be. So our repair is good to go. We got a good alternator. Thank you.